Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So, let's check. Oo. Kung gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Okay, so you can check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus and North Node if you know your North Node. Okay. Okay, so yes, syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and syempre, sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. And yes, don't forget to follow. Thank you. And yes, if you're interested din, may mga tanong kayo pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item. Okay, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, ito po is available in red and black string. So, na-adjust siya. Okay, yung isa naman natin is ito. So, dalawa yung ating evil eye bracelet po, ha? So, ito yung isa. Ito naman is garterized. Okay, so pareho lang naman silang unisex. Okay, so ito naman ang ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and siya ay adjustable. So, hindi na kailangan sabihin kung ano ba ang size ng inyong mga dali-daliri. Okay, dahil na-adjust naman ang ating evil eye ring. Okay, and syempre, yung ating, nasa na? Necklace. Okay, yung ating evil eye necklace. Syempre. So, ito siya. Okay, so yan siya sa malapitan. Okay, so there. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender para may adjust yung length ng chain. Pero yes, you can use naman po ibang chain kung gusto. Okay, and syempre, ang ating love bracelet. Okay, made to order ang ating love bracelet. Okay, and yes, pwede sa single, pwede sa may mga conflict, pagdating sa mga karelasyon. Okay, so yan po ha. And pwede sa mga may separation, dumaraan sa separation. Okay, so kung anong kailangan pagdating dyan sa mga sitwasyon nyo, ipo-provide po nitong ating love bracelet. Okay, so may mga stones. Okay, nandyan yung ating mga precious stones and gems, pero plus lang yan dahil meron tayong gagawin dito. Okay, bago ipadala sa inyo, syempre. Okay, so again, ito naman ang ating ang ating granter necklace. Okay, so ito si granter. So ang ating chain is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. This is unisex po, ha. 20 inches long. Okay, 20 inches ang ating chain. So, ang ating pendant is merong acrylic front and back. Okay, yan ang ating granter po, ha. And this is made to order. Okay, unisex. Again, si granter. Okay, so kung meron pa pong ibang tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, dun po sa bago nating item for cleansing. Okay, so message lang po kayo para may pakita namin, no? Hindi pa kasi upload ng post para doon sa ating new item. So, yeah, if you're interested, just message me. Okay, so let's start, all signs. So, gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Oo, okay. Let's start with Aries. Okay, so gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Aries? Gusto ka ba niya? Gusto ka ba ng taong yan? Okay. The Knight of Swords in reverse. The King of Swords. What? This person, pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. This could be any sign. Okay. Some of them, they're acting distant, no? They're acting silent, cold. They're not consistent pagdating sa pakikipag-usap, or hindi sila talaga nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Ay, some of them pwedeng sabihin nating may iba, may karelasyon. Okay? Excuse me. focus pagdating sa ibang bagay. Okay? So, ang nakuha ko dito, they are not interested. I'm so sorry. They are not interested. Yun nga, pwedeng may chance na meron tong karelasyon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the Four of Chalices. Na-ignore ka, no? Okay, na-ignore ka or sabihin natin hindi ka talaga napapansin or hindi ka binibigyang atensyon. So, for me, it's a no. I'm so sorry. You can check your sun, moon, rising naman, no? Oo, baka sakali. O, diba? Anyway. So, next. Okay, Taurus. Okay, Taurus placements. Ang tanong, gusto ka ba nung taong gusto mo? Gusto ka ba niya? Gusto ka ba niya? Okay. The Queen of Swords. What's that? The Four of Chalices. Why? Bakit ganito? Anong tema ng ating reading? Puro nang i-ignore yung mga person. Okay. Four of Chalices. Why? Why the Four of Chalices? The Knight of Pentacles. Okay. The Four of Swords. Okay. So, I'm seeing this person. Sabihin natin kahit ito, I'm seeing this person na detached or sabihin natin cold, silent. Okay. Bakit? Ang nakikita ko kasi is, ikaw yung hinihintay niya. Okay? Wala silang ginagawa actually. Pero, they're being impatient na. Okay? I don't know kung anong iniintay nito sa'yo. They're always thinking of you. I think, gusto ka rin niya. Okay? Yeah, the moon is here. Okay? Naku, curious siya sa'yo. Okay? Nandun tayo sa binibigyan ka niya ng atensyon. Okay? What's this Queen of Swords? Talagang bubungkalin natin to. Oo. The Seven of Pentacles, Universe, the Nine of Chalices. This person is too afraid to come forward. Okay? This person likes you. Oo. Andun lang yung talagang I don't know kung mahiyain ba or may takot lang ba itong taong to na maging open or mag-reach out sa'yo. Ikaw yung hinihintay niya. Yeah, they like you. Okay, next. Gemini. Okay, so Gemini placements. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Gemini? Okay? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gemini. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Gemini? The Ace of Chalices in reverse. They are not showing any kind of emotion. Okay, why? The Seven of Chalices. Some of them, meron po silang iba. Ha? Okay, the Ten of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, nakuha ko, this person is not available emotionally. Or they don't like you. May chance na ganoon kasi some of them, meron pang issue sa past nila. So, maybe yung kanilang focus is still nandoon sa past person ng taong to. Pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Yeah. Walang walang emosyon or walang focus sa'yo. Yeah, the moon, the King of Pentacles, Universe, yes, they don't like you. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Andun yung pwedeng nire-reject ka nito or dinededma or yeah, diba? I'm so sorry, Gemini. You can check your sun, moon, rising. Sabay ganun eh, no? Anyway, okay, Cancer. Okay, so Cancer. Gusto ka ba nung taong gusto mo? Okay, gusto ka ba nung taong gusto mo, Cancer? Gusto ka ba niya? The Eight of Swords. Okay. The Queen of Pentacles. I think so. Yeah, they like you. Tinatago lang niya. Okay. Meron lang tong hinihintay na parang magkaroon ng open na opportunity. Some of them, they're not talking. Okay? Hindi sila kumukonect sa'yo. The Eight of Swords. Naghihintay to ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng open door. Oo, pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Hindi pa to maka-action eh. Yeah, hindi pa to maka-action. Hindi niya alam kung paano. See, the strength. They like you. Okay. Pero yung iba sa kanila, some of them talaga is nag-iisip sila ng something like sexually, kung ano man, sexual thoughts whatsoever. Yeah, they're attracted physically. Pagdating sa'yo, Cancer, they like you. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? Pwedeng Sagittarius, Taurus, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? So, next is Leo. Okay, Leo. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Leo. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Gusto ka rin ba niya, Leo? Okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, Leo. The 5 of Swords in reverse, the 10 of Swords. Oh. Some of you, this is a past person's energy. Okay, your past person still likes you, still wants you. Okay? But yeah, they're acting silent, distant, avoidant. Okay? They doesn't want any kind of stress or whatsoever na pwedeng magbibigay sa kanila ng confusion. Okay? Yeah, the 3 of Chalices, the 7 of Chalices in reverse. This person likes you. Still. Okay? Pero kung hindi kayo nag-uusap nito, may chance kasi na pwedeng iniaalis. Ayaw lang niya ng drama. Okay? Ayaw lang niya ng drama. Yeah. See? The Page of Chalices. May emosyon. Okay? Kung bago man to, yeah, I think gusto ka. Gusto ka. Some of them takot lang silang mag-move forward pagdating sa'yo or gumawa ng action. Okay? Some of them is takot ma-reject. Okay? Pero yes, andito yung energy ng crush. Yeah, si Page of Chalices. Okay? Secretly admiring you, some of you. Yes. Okay, next. Virgo. Okay. So, let's see. Let's check kung gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo, Virgo. Gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo? Gusto ka rin ba? Siyempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Okay, the 5 of Wands. The 5 of Wands. Do they like you? The King of Pentacles. They see you as someone na pwedeng para kang challenge for them. So, I think, yeah, gusto ka nito. Okay? May pagpupurso akong nakikita rito. I don't know, some of them pwedeng gumagawa ng action towards you. Okay, yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, kausap mo na to or pwedeng nag-reach out sa'yo tong taong to. I don't know. Okay? So, yeah, they like you. They like you. Pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng fire sign. Okay? Pero itong taong to, they're not consistent pagdating sa action nila. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Maybe, isa sa inyo or pwedeng ikaw, Virgo, is acting parang hindi open. Okay? I don't know why. Some of you may chance na takot sa commitments or pakikipag-connect. Yeah. I'm seeing some of you, itong taong nagugustuhan mo, kaya kaganyan, is may mga responsibilidad. Okay, sana walang anak. That is so specific. Okay, so next. Libra. Libra. Okay, gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Libra? Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Siyempre, habang nag-shuffle ako, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, big help yan sa ating channel. Thank you. Okay, Libra. Libra. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? The 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes. For me. Yeah. The King of Chalices in reverse though. This person likes you, pero hindi sila emotionally open or available. I don't know why. Some of them, hindi sila gumagawa ng or nag-o-offer ng emosyon, cup of love. Okay, the page of chalices in reverse, this is crush. Libra, this is crush. This person is having a crush. Meron silang crush sa'yo. Some of them, they're too emotionally immature. Some of them. Okay? May ganun. Pero yeah, this person wants you. Okay? The 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, the 4 of Swords. You're always in their head. Yeah, they're always thinking of you, Libra. Okay? Pwedeng earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you, meron kayong age gap. Okay? Someone is younger. Okay, some of you, hindi kayo nag-uusap talaga. Okay, diba? Ang dami kong pahabol. Okay, next. Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio, ang tanong, gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo? Gusto ka rin ba niya? Scorpio, do they like you? The Magician. Pwedeng Virgo. Okay. The 9 of Swords. This person is afraid. Okay, they're afraid. Pero yes, they like you, they want you. This person is not talking, they're not reaching out. Okay. Yeah, this person likes you. What's with this Magician? Gusto nila ng connection with you. Actually. Yeah, the 5 of Swords. Some of you, this person is giving you hints, mixed signals. Okay. Yeah, the Devil. They're obsessed. Some of them, they're obsessed. Okay. This person, talagang sasabihin ko na pwedeng umaga, gabi, iniisip ka. Yung iba sa kanila, they're trying to make, sabihin nating mga rituals para makuha yung attention mo. They like you. Okay? Bakit sila gumagawa nun? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, hindi talaga kayo magkausap ng taong to. But yes, they are obsessing. Okay? Virgo and air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yeah. Yeah, they want to make an offer, to take action, pero they don't know how. They're too afraid to take action. Okay, so there. Next, Sagittarius. Okay. Sag. Okay. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo, Sag? Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Gusto ka ba niya, Sagittarius? The Ace of Wands. Yeah, for me, it's a yes. Some of them, they're physically attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay. The Ace of Wands. The 4 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, this person likes you. Okay. Hindi malabong nagkakausap na kayo nito or something like mayroon tong mga binibigay sa'yo. Something like gifts. Mga ganyan. Okay, the 5 of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Ayaw nito na parang magkakaroon ng pending or delay. Okay? Siya yung taong ratsyada. Kung ratsyada, parang ganun. Okay? Mahilig siya magbigay ng regalo as a sign na sa tingin ko nagugustuhan ka niya. Mapababae, mapalalaki ko naman ang kanyang gender. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. See? Some of you, pinupurso ka nito. Andito rin yung something like flirt. Energy. Okay, they like you. Physically attracted. Pagdating sa'yo, Sag. Okay, so pwedeng earth sign, fire. Another fire. Sagittarius. Another Sagittarius. Next. Capricorn. Okay. So, Capricorn. Yes. Oo. So, gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo sa Capricorn? Siyempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe bago tayo bumunot, no? Oo. Capricorn. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo? Capricorn. The Star. Yeah. They're admiring you. They see you as the star. Okay? May paghanga. Okay? What's with that star? the Tower in reverse, pero they're trying to avoid you. Yeah, this person is avoiding you. Pwedeng Aquarius, pwedeng Scorpio. Why are they avoiding you? Yeah, they're acting distant. Okay, hindi ka pinapansin ng taong to. Maybe they're too silent rin pagdating sa'yo. Pero yes, they like you. They're admiring you. What's with this Tower in reverse? The Fool in reverse. Masyado silang takot pagdating dito sa Two of Cups. Some of you, same kayo ng ginagawa. You're mirroring each other. You like this person, pero wala kang ginagawa, wala kang sinasabi, you're not letting them na malaman kung anong meron, pwedeng ganun rin sila. Yes. The feeling is mutual. Parang hinahayaan lang, oh. Okay, we have here Aries, Scorpio, and Aquarius. This is major arcana. The Two of Chalices. Someone is afraid, oo, nakumunik, pero they like you. Okay? Andun rin yung energy na sabihin nating strong connection. Parang nandun yung parang nadodrawn sila. Maybe both of you. Parang may pull pagdating sa energies. Okay? Nakakuha ko ng soulmate energy, soulmate connection, or yeah, mga ganon, malalalim na connection. Anyway, next is Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius. Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Aqua? Let's see. Okay. Syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aqua, gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo? The Seven of Wands. The Ace of Chalices in reversed. Are they avoiding you? Why? The Ace of Chalices in reversed. The Four of Swords. What's with this Seven of Wands? The Five of Chalices. Strength. So, may chance na sabihin nating hindi sila ready, trying to avoid you, trying to be silent. But yes, they're thinking of you. Okay, they're thinking of you. They like you though. Pero parang hinahayaan na lang nila to. Okay, kahit meron silang nararamdaman pagdating sa'yo, parang nilalabanan nila yung emosyon nila for you. Like that. I don't know kung anong dahilan kung bakit ganyan nilalabanan nila yung emosyon nila for you. Yes, this person likes you. Okay? May panghihinayang nga eh. Yeah. Bakit kanya ina-avoid? Or bakit niya ina-avoid na ma-fall? Or talagang ma-attach sa'yo? Bakit? The Magician, the Seven of Swords. Some of you, this person is thinking na pwedeng meron, sabihin natin parang takot lang din sa mga pwedeng mangyari. Sa mga, takot to mag-take risk, I guess. Yeah, the Page of Wands, some of them, they're too young. Or maybe they're younger. Okay? Yes. So, pwedeng sabihin natin, they like you, pero hindi nila alam kung paano sila kukonect sa'yo. Ganun lang. Okay? Hindi nila alam kung paano makikipag-usap sa'yo. Mga ganun kasimpleng bagay. Okay? So, kung walang mangyayaring energy ng interaction, no? Walang mangyayaring pag-uusap dito, hayaan na lang nila to. And yes, sabihin nating masasayangan lang sila or manghihinayang na lang sila dito sa connection nyo na to or sa kung anong meron. Okay? I mean, wala pa pala kayong connection pero manghihinayang to dahil walang nangyari. kahit connection, kahit pag-uusap. They like you. Okay, so next. Pisces. Okay, so Pisces placements. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And syempre, ang tanong, gusto ka rin ba ng taong gusto mo, Pisces? Do they like you? Gusto ka ba ng taong gusto mo, Pisces? Okay, the 7 of Swords. They're being sneaky. Why? Why the 7 of Swords, the Temperance? Anong hinihintay nitong taong to? Ano tong 7 of Swords? What's this? The 3 of Wands in reverse. Some of them, they're in another connection. Ha? Okay? Yes, that's specific. Itong taong ginugusto mo, may kakonect. Yes. Okay? Anyway, ang tanong naman is kung gusto ka, sabihin nating paminsan-minsan nagagawa ng taong tong mag-cheat. Okay? Kasi minsan naiisip ka niya habang siya ay nandoon sa kakonect niya. Okay? So, I guess nakukuha mo yung attention ng taong to. Okay? Yeah. See? The King of Wands. Alam nyo ba? Na si King of Wands lang ang may dark side. Pagdating sa Kings, siya lang. Okay? So, may tendency siyang mag-cheat. Yeah. Yes. This person likes you. Pero, he is cheating or he or she is cheating. Yeah. I don't know. Hindi ko masabing talagang nag-cheat sa'yo. Nag-cheat itong taong to dun sa kakonect nila. Because yeah, the Temperance is being fair. Okay? They're being fair. Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords. Alam nila na mali. Okay? Alam nila na mali. So, they're trying to limit. Okay? So, I guess, ginugusto ka ng palihim ng taong to, pero alam nilang mali yun. Pero anyway, ang tanong, gusto ka ba? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Diba? So, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.